Kinda.
On deck, mat number 3 at 195 pounds from Barnesville, Dana Bird, and from Border West, Braden Crump. On deck, mat number 3. In the hole at 195 pounds. From Martinville, Dylan Arndt, and from Minnewaska, Randy Jacobs, who are in the hole.
Okay, I'm gonna go down to Abram.
On deck, mat number 1 at 195 pounds from Ortonville, Dylan Arndt, and from Minnewaska, Brandon